Today I want to talk about stats. So if you're not into stats, then go ahead and just click off this video, because today I'm going to be talking about stats that coincide with my YouTube channel. So let's get started. 4,375 days to get the first 100 subscribers. Now, the reason why that's significant is because I never really intended to try to get subscribers in the first place. But I did upload my video in 2006, which, putting that content out there, 4,375 days later, I got my first 100 subscribers. 282 days to get my second 100 subscribers on YouTube. Once I passed the 100 threshold, I was really trying to focus on trying to gain another 100 subscribers. It took 282 days to get to the second 100 subscribers, giving my YouTube channel a total of 200 subscribers. Now, I would use that barometer to say what it takes to kind of grow your channel. A lot of people have some expert skills and can grow their channel a lot faster than I can, but this is my story, this is my path, and I must own it. 59 days to get my third 100 subscribers, bringing my YouTube channel to a total of 300 subscribers. So as you see, it's getting faster and faster, and I think that's the point about magnitude or exponential reach. So as you have more subscribers and you got more people following you on YouTube, I think it gets easier and easier to kind of keep growing it, and it gets faster and faster because now all of a sudden that the YouTube channel is bigger. 42 days to get my fourth 100 subscribers. For me, that was hugely significant because I was able to kind of get another 100 subscribers almost within a month's time. And that helps just grow the channel. I think it helps when you want to talk to brands to kind of highlight their businesses, or you put events on there. Being able to get a fourth 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel within 42 days was amazing. That was the best I've ever done. 50 days to reach 500 subscribers, or to get my fifth 100 subscribers. And that was a little bit slower than I expected. I think I was kind of relishing on the fact that I was just growing with my fourth 100 subscribers. And I kind of really didn't put any content out there, and they kind of grew, my YouTube channel kind of grew a little bit slower. So I thought that was kind of, unique. But right now I'm on pace to kind of get my sixth 100 subscribers within 30 days, and that would be my all-time best. So I look forward to kind of seeing if I can reach that goal of getting 100 subscribers within 30 days. So check back in a few days. 224 videos that I've uploaded to YouTube. I would think that having 224 videos on YouTube seems like a lot, but a lot of other people can have a lot more video and a lot more content out there. For me, I've been, randomly putting videos and trying to come up with some ideas. But in the last 3 years, I've really been trying to grow and get better at editing and telling better stories. So for me to have 224 videos without really putting in a lot of effort is a lofty goal. For example, right now, I think this video that I'm uploading would be 225 videos, but it would be 21 days that I uploaded a video in a row. So I look forward to seeing how that impacts my channel. For me, uploading every single day is helping grow the channel. 578 total subscribers on YouTube. Now that might not seem like a significant number, but for me and for what I do, I think it's pretty significant. So I've been trying to grow this channel, been trying to put some content out there, and I've been seeing some feedback. 578 subscribers puts me ahead of a lot of tours and activity companies' YouTube channels within the local market. So I think for me, my goal is to kind of be a travel and tourism guide, to be a concierge in the marketplace of Miami, and having 578 subscribers in Miami is huge and it's significant. 133,216 total minutes watched within the lifetime of this YouTube channel. Now, that is a terrible number, and the reason why is because you need 240,000 minutes in a year to be able to monetize this YouTube channel. So if you look at it and say, oh, within 13 years that I've only accumulated 133,000 minutes watched, when the goal is to get 240,000 within a year, I'm significantly failing. But that's okay, because what I'm trying to do is trying to grow this channel and become a better content creator on YouTube. Not Instagram, not Facebook, on YouTube. 273,605 views on my YouTube channel. Now, I'd say that that's pretty good, but if you're only getting about 18 seconds per video, then that's not good. And I think that's why the minutes is low. But let me tell you this significant point. My #1 video is only 18 seconds long. So by that, it kind of skews the number and the minutes watched to a low number, bringing it about to 25 seconds per video or per view. And that's not good. But that's kind of weighted against my #1 video, which is called Me at the Zoo Challenge, which has 94,896 total views on that video. It's actually coming up to the 100,000 view mark, so I'm going to make a little video about that. But that's my #1 video. 94,000 views within probably since the end of April. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 7 months, I had 94,000 views. And that's my #1 video. So anyways, and that's all the statistics on my YouTube channel. I thought it would be important to kind of share this, kind of document where my YouTube channel is. So I figured I'm just going to kind of go out there and share some statistics. It's not for everybody, but it's definitely something that I want to kind of stamp and mark and document that on this date, November 7th, 2019, that was where I was on my YouTube channel. Anyways, for the 225th video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the real world.